Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to create a PNG image in Photoshop. I'm showing you this in the latest version of Photoshop, but it will be the same for all Photoshop versions. Make sure to subscribe to fix it to make your daily life easier. So the first step is opening up your Photoshop. As you can see, mine is pinned to the taskbar. Once Photoshop is opened, now click on Create New. I will select the 1280 by 720 option since it's the most common. Once your project is ready, import the picture you want to make as a PNG. I chose this cool Johnny Bravo picture. So go to the left bar and go to the eraser icon. Here you have three options. To make a PNG, click on the magic eraser tool. Most of you will get this message saying you need to rasterize the layer. Just click on OK. Now the only thing we need to do is click on the background we want to remove. Sometimes it will remove it in one click, but as you can see, sometimes you have to go over the background multiple times. And there you go, now you have a PNG image. Follow Fix It to make your daily life easier.